Happy birthday, Brecken. It's Auntie Jeanette. We love you.
Brecky Boo Bear, Mommy loves you. I cannot believe you're 1 year old. We love you so much, and we can't wait to celebrate you. You are God's gift to us, honey. We love you.
Happy birthday, Brecken. We love you so much. Hope you have a great birthday. Bye.
Hey guys, it's DP. Just calling to say thank you for having us, and everything just looks wonderful, and a very special birthday. Happy birthday to Brecken. We love you, and we're so glad to be here tonight. Bye.
Happy first birthday to my precious Brecken Shea. You're a miracle baby, and Grandma loves you very, very much. Happy, happy first birthday.
Happy, happy birthday, Brecken.
Happy birthday, Brecken. Happy birthday, Brecken. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you have a great day. I love you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Brecken. This is Gianna.
Happy birthday.
Happy, happy birthday, sweet girl. Happy birthday, Brecken. Love, Lana.
Hi, Brecken. It's Grandma Carrie. Happy, happy birthday. Me and Grandpa love you. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.